Ahoy ahoy! Welcome to this week's video. I am taking a little bit of a break from the 1850s to make an accessory to go with my current 18th century outfit, which is my dragon fruit dress. Honestly, it's more historically adequate, but it's fun. I am going to be making a pocket. Now, for those who are not familiar with this era, pockets used to be a separate garment, and it's basically like a little pouch that you wear around your waist and put your stuff inside. There is actually a long and surprisingly interesting history of pockets as a garment. Bernadette Banner did a really good video on them, so I'm just going to link them down below because there's no need to repeat it. Now, there is a really great advantage to having a pocket as a separate garment to your very full skirts as opposed to sewing it in. That being, it's not going to pull on your dress at all. So if you want to keep your snacks, your books, or your little offspring inside your pouch, pocket's a great way to do that and carry all that heavy stuff. Now, I mostly wear my historical costumes even at cons. And if I'm at a con, I'm going to be getting my beer on. So the point of this project is I need to make a pocket to hold at least one beer. Let's get going. The first step is to take some measurements, do some difficult math, and cut out the pieces. I made this comically large, the better to fit more beers and claws inside. Next, I bound the opening by hand because I wanted to watch Sailor Moon while working, and I can pay better attention if I'm hand sewing. I also did a little decorative row of running stitches. Even with all that hand sewing, this was a quick project. It took about 10 episodes of Sailor Moon to complete. Don't mind the mismatched thread I used to sew the pieces together. It will be covered by more binding. Frankie came in to help me sew the binding. I put a few pleats on the top because I didn't like how square it looked. And then I used a scrap of twill to make a waistband. And that's it. A giant pocket of holding. Thanks for watching.